Before I start with anything, I want to ask you guys, did you see any ads when you started this video? And 90% of you would say yes. And that is because of YouTube's new policy of putting ads on videos and channels that aren't even monetized. That's right. And we at Vadoo TV do not like that. That's why we're bringing you a revolutionary platform that you can sign up on for free, right? And this platform has no ads. That's right, no ads. But we just did not stop there. We allow you to have your own landing pages, customize the video player, customize what is written on the landing pages without excessive branding from Vadoo TV. That's right, because we care for you. We want you to grow. We want all the content creators, marketers, the entrepreneurs to grow. And just imagine having a landing page is so much more easier than telling people to go down the description, find out the link that you want them to find, and then click on it. Your links would be presented beautifully. There would be buttons, everything that you need to convert someone watching your video into a subscriber, into a customer. That's right. That is an amazing funnel page idea. And we are here to give you such more ideas. So do press the subscribe button because everything related to Vadoo TV and more will be on this channel. That's right. Now, I really would normally tell you, please click on the given description down below and click on the link. But if this was Vadoo TV, you wouldn't have to do that, would you? Your customers, your viewers would already know where to click and what to find. That's right. That is the change I'm talking about. And most such changes will be talked about on this channel. So make sure you press that subscribe button, make sure you press that like button, and make sure you find me on Vadoo TV. I'll see you in the next one, or maybe on Vadoo TV. I hope on Vadoo TV. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.